upgrades to our van.
And some gadgets that we have bought to help with our daily lives in our van. Not much. We love our van and it's really good as a stock. But
not huge renovations.
Yeah.
But tiny little detailed things.
For example,
our curtains. And we like the fabric and they match very good with our van. And they are in this railing, so you can adjust them the way you want to.
Yes. And behind it, it's an ugly thing that we always hide. It's our 12-volt locks that we want to have a lot. Because we have cameras and things that we want to charge. I don't know if there's some more beautiful way of charging your things, but this has been working great.
Yeah. Everything is 12 volts except our computers.
And for those we bought 300 watt inverter, pure sine, so we can use all the appliances from 230 volt system. And 300 watts has been enough for our needs. Perfectly. We don't need 2000 watts.
That's an overkill for our usage.
Yes. We were actually buying a TV for our van. There's a spot there.
Yeah.
But just when we were buying it, we
thought, why are we buying a TV? Because we did not have a TV when we lived in an apartment. So why the hell we would need a TV in a van?
And if we want to watch TV or Netflix and something, we watch from our laptops or from our phones. And it works greatly because usually we watch movies
there
in the bed. So having TV here is not option for us.
Yeah.
Some decorative also what we've done is the Backsplash. It's a 3D sticker.
Yeah. And you can see the seals are kind of opening. We might redo those. It has been there 3 years and we cook steamy foods there. So I think it has stick there very well.
Yeah.
And behind it is maybe the largest or the most noticeable upgrade. So a tiny little log burner.
Yes, it has been working great. We were actually surprised how clean and easy it is to maintain and keep the surroundings clean. We thought that there would be ash everywhere every time that we open the door and clean the stove, and no, it has been really great clean thing that we have used. Yeah, install was kind of hard, but it has been now there for over a year.
And it looks still perfect. We love it.
One of the first upgrades that we made to our van immediately when we got the van is this solar panel, because we knew that we will be off-grid a lot and we want to have our batteries charged even if we are stationary for a longer time. And it has been working great. During the summertime we don't need any charge or plug-in power to charge our batteries. We might actually buy a larger solar panel in the future if we can find one that fits here, because there's a toilet cap over there and a chimney, so between those we have to have the solar panel as this way. Let's see. So with the solar panel we upgraded also the batteries. It had 100 amp hours of batteries and we upgraded another 100 amp hours, so a total of 200. They are AGM batteries and we have been using them 3 years now daily, and they are still healthy and they have almost the same capacity as they used to have. We don't let them go under 50% in any time, so it's 12.2 volts that we stop consuming any electricity. So that's our way of keeping the batteries healthy. 200 amp hours, yeah, for our needs it's enough, but if we want to use laptops more, then we might need some extra batteries in the future, but at the moment they are working great. We can be stationary during the summer months, maybe 6 days or 7 days at least, even if we use laptops, so that's pretty good time to be off-grid without any plugging power.
We have a really great place for the trash bag. Underneath this double seat we have a door which we open, and voila! We have a trash bin here.
And that's a €1 IKEA trash bin collector. So.
And it fits perfectly here. And this is really nice place because this is easy to access and you are not able to see the trash when you close the door. So, not many vans have that. We hate those ugly RV stickers and swivels and logos. We hate to be a driving billboard on the street. So we took all the Atria logos out of our car.
Storage is really important thing when you are living in a small space, and you have to have
everything neat and organized and easy to receive.
Yeah, everything has to have their own place. So we have these boxes everywhere on the van, over here on the cupboards, and also behind our van.
In a garage.
Yes. So they are easy to maintain and keep clean, and you can see through those boxes what's in them. The newest addition to our upgrades is a sock system that we installed a week ago, and it's a
blower in a toilet.
Yes, so it sucks air from the cassette and it should help us to not use the chemicals with the toilet. So let's see how it works in the future.
We made an episode about the installation, so we put the card there so you can check that episode out. This hallway is kind of non-existent, and at the first this was full of shoes, so we bought this big shoe locker where we can just push our shoes and throw them there. So it's really nice. They are easy to access and shoes are not invading our living space.
And that's a really easy solution for that, because we can just throw the shoes there.
Yes. And we have this porch mat, which is really good because you can wipe your muddy boots there and it's really comfy, and we cut it the size of this hallway so it sticks there. It's really good.
Yeah, because we don't have the porch, so the dirt and the sand comes in
every time
we enter and exit.
This mat helps a lot. And we have a most essential thing, so fire alarm in our ceiling. It keeps us safe and protected. And also we have a carbon monoxide detector there. So, because safety first when you live in a small place like this.
And we have LPG appliances and also the wood stove. So
yeah.
And if something bad happens, we have the fire extinguisher.
Yeah, this big boy.
And it's actually, it must have thing to when you are going to Estonia and some other countries.
Yeah, in
so
Europe.
You have to have one in your car when you're driving there.
This is kind of small one, so we might upgrade this to the bigger one because the live fire that we have in our car. But this is kind of ugly because this is red. We might paint it to white or grey or black.
So, safety team continues. We installed 2 extra locks for our side door and also the back door, so when we leave the van we can get them extra secured. And also every time that we leave the van we use wire between the front doors so you cannot open them from the outside. So there's everything that we upgraded to our van.
Tiny little things.
Or by gadgets. And we have lived with those, and I don't know, there's nothing that we would need at the moment to live more happier life. The bungee cords, we have a lots of them still there, and we thought that we have to like bungee cord everything to its place. It will be wobbly and it will be moving around, but no.
Making sounds, unpleasant sounds, but no.
We haven't used those bungee cords.
Yeah.
Extra tools, we had them a lot.
At first.
Yeah, but then I think we have some screwdrivers.
And multi-tool, and that's it.
Nothing else.
Because tools are heavy and they take so much space, and if something you really need, you can go to the hardware store and buy that tool when you need it. So don't buy extra stuff.
And funny part is the level bubble that they sell in a caravan store. So you can actually drive your van and put it on level, and there's a bubble that you can see that it's really a level. We didn't use it at all. We actually bought it.
We thought it's a mandatory thing that the fridge doesn't work or something if we are not parked in the level. But what a waste of money.
Yes, we did. I think we used it once.
Yeah. Then we threw that one away.
I thought, no, we don't need this.
So that's why some RV item lists are very dangerous, because people value so much different things. So, for example, Brits, they love like hot water bottles. We don't understand them. They're kind of useless to us. So, don't always trust those lists and make your own.
Anti-slippery mats to the cupboards. That was also something that Finnish caravan owners told that it must have thing in your...
It's the first one, you have to buy them.
Yeah, they help you a lot. And we bought them and they rolled in a roll on the cupboard, and we threw them away because they didn't do a shit.
Yeah.
And no.
We can live without it. During our trip, we had a water filter with us, so we could filter our drinking water. But after 24 countries around Europe, we discovered that you can find totally potable water in any part of Europe. So
yeah, we had the inline filter for the hose and also pump style filter that we could actually pump water through filters, but we didn't use them once, not once. So pointless. So we have been using the sock system for a while and we have been pleased with it. We don't go. So the thief's day, if he wants to come inside, is hard, and maybe he continues next motorhome or...
Tää joku orava käy nyt tekemässä pesä.